welcome back to another video from Upstate Garage. And in today's video, we got ourselves a brand new rebuild. It's a 2017 Chevy Camaro ZL1. Let's start tearing this thing down, man, and seeing what we got and seeing all the damage you see it got impacted in the front. So let's do a quick walk around before we start. So it looked kind of bad from the front. As you can see, transmission fluid is leaking, so that cooler's busted or line or something. We barely got it in here. Let's see, it's got the Brembo brakes. It's got Pilot Super Sports in the front, and then it's got Pilot Sports in the rear. Let's check out the interior while we're on this side. It's got the Alcantara, the suede everywhere. You got the red seat belts, which they did both lock up. You got the Recaro bucket seats right here. Check out that steering wheel, the full Alcantara steering wheel. Best thing is got the 10-speed automatic transmission, so it's the faster transmission. It shifts faster than the manual. So we got a good deal on our hands. And then check out the rear. As you can see, the rear over here, it's in good shape, but it looks like the forklift driver got a little too close to the car when he was loading it on the trailer and scuffed it right here, and a couple more spots as in right here. But the rear end has no damage at all, so check it out, ZL1. It's got the exhaust with the valves on it to make it loud or quiet from the factory, so it screams right now. But check it out, it's got 305 Pilot Sports in the rear. And then this side also has no damage at all. Alright guys, so moving on to the interior, as you can see the steering wheel airbag did deploy on us, as well as both curtain airbags and the knee airbag right there. Both seatbelts locked up, but check it out, man. So sick how it's red, man. Just all the red accents make this car pop and stand out. So check it out, what do we find right here, dude?
Bro, look at this. Look at this fire hazard.
Man, we got a whole fire hazard going on right here. I guess this guy had like a subwoofer in the back, or what are you thinking, dude?
Probably. This is a thick wire.
And then he's got like, yeah, so we're gonna have to strip the entire interior and try to remove all the wiring and stuff, man. We don't want this thing catching on fire or nothing like that. Alright guys, got the 200 on the dash, but let me know what this means right here. What does the 50 stand for on the steering wheel? Do you have any idea? Alright guys, so as you can see, the main impact was in the front. So it looks like, I don't even know, it doesn't look too bad from what I can see right now, but I guess I will do a little time lapse, start taking the front end apart, start stripping it down, and then see what we're working with. So, let's go. So I did forget to show you, but the insurance company did throw in this fender right here. It does have a little bit of damage, but you can fix that no problem. And let me peel this tape off and see what we're working with. Ah man, a little dented right here as well. Oh man, all right, so check it out guys. We do have this good fender right here. We're gonna reuse it for sure, but it does have some damage right here, as well as, check it out, on the corner right there. It looks like when they were opening the door, they messed it up. So it's gonna have to get repainted and blended onto the door, because we're gonna have some body work going right along right here. So we did get some parts in the trunk, we did get lucky. I'm surprised they actually threw this in here, but we got a good airbox. It does have a little bit of scuffs right here, but that's nothing you can see and it won't affect it at all. But it does have the sensor right over here. It's kind of nasty in here. I don't even know if I want to dive in there, but I see a good headlight, possibly. Oh, it's not good, man. That sucks. It does have, it looks like it does have all the ballast and everything we need to transfer onto like a bare shell or something. So there's some usable parts off of this thing, so we're good to go on there. Dang, dude, check out that clean tear. It just tore off the edge. That's where it's leaking from. So it turns out we need a new transmission coolant. So we took the entire front end apart, as you can see over here. It got pretty close to the fuse box. It did actually rip off these mounts. It's the outer shell of the fuse box that got damaged. So it just, you can buy it separately at the dealer. And it's actually really close to this ECU right here. But luckily, it didn't damage it. It literally cracked also like the casing for it. So we're good on that. And then yeah, we had to take apart a bunch of grounds and wiring and stuff because it was all connected to the radiator support. So right now what we're gonna do is move on to the hood over here. We already literally found all the damaged parts that we have. And as you can see, the support will work on the hood. We're gonna take apart that carbon fiber piece and see if it's actually salvageable because they are very expensive. They're almost $1,000 used. So we're gonna see if we can save that piece. And yeah, we'll start working on the hood. Guys, so for the front bumper, we're actually going to keep it all in one piece for now until the new bumper shows up. That way it's a direct transfer and we know exactly where everything goes, like the wires and stuff. Well, it's not too complicated, but we'll just keep it as is for now. And when the new bumper comes, we'll transfer everything. It looks like we're done taking it apart. We took it all apart and everything looks good, honestly. Just the cut harness, that's all that we did not expect. But it looks really good from here. And what do you think? We're gonna start ordering parts soon or what?
Probably today.
Yeah, we're gonna head over to the dealership and start ordering a bunch of parts for this thing. And man, we're excited to get this thing back on the road. Oops. And I guess we'll start pumping out a video on the interior and doing some more work to the car. So stay tuned and subscribe. Alright guys, so thank y'all for watching today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the like button, support us on this build. And follow me on Instagram at Upstate Garage. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.